For me,
This is so beautiful that I don't even want to stop here. This is almost 2 minutes, but
TV show ever created.
Okay. Classic. A classic.
this is so beautiful that I don't even want to stop here. This is almost 2 minutes, but fuck it, whatever. This is so good.
I made it shorter. I believe I was clapping on the environment for me. Okay, so here we go. This is what we got. Oh, I love it. I love it. I really love it. It's really great. It's got a Steven Seagal thing to it.
This is more like a Hendrix, and this is what made Jimi Hendrix so aesthetically astonishing in those eras, because he used to wear a lot of Victorian women clothes. He used to wear a lot of old Victorian
What's the best documentary ever created?
Best documentary? The one that 50 Cent did about Diddy.
You just talked about horses. You talked about Christopher Reeve. He died of horses.
I didn't mention that part.
I don't like to get into things like that, but it did happen, and I'm not going to go on a horse ever again. Are you going horses?
I don't.
What's the best documentary ever created?
And Wayman with the Dustin Hoffman.
Best documentary? The one that 50 Cent did about Diddy.
Blindside.
Okay. Classic.
on a true
Classic.
story.
A
Denzel
Beautiful
playing
Mind.
Frank
A Beautiful
Lucas.
Mind
That
and
was
Wayman with
classic.
the Dustin Hoffman.
Escape from Alcatraz is good.
Best movie based on a true story.
Shawshank Redemption.
Coach Carter.
La Vie en